Well, I guess another LeBlonde followed me home. I think this one here is a 17 by 68. The guy told me somebody broke the taper attachment on it, so I'll have to try to get them and weld them back together and see what I can come up with of that. He said he took it apart and tried to fix it, but couldn't figure out what to do with it, so he just sold it. Got a quick change tool post and a whole lot of tooling and a four-jaw chuck and the covers. But another project. Like I really need something to do. But anyway, I was very impressed with how good the ways look on it. Got a little bit of surface rust. A little scratch right there. And they're hardly no wear at all. But anyway, need a lot of cleaning, a lot of work, but work never hurt nobody, so maybe we'll get started on it pretty quickly, maybe not. Anyway, that's the newest edition. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.